Oh god, I'm sore. What's up, guys? Fun fact, I have eggs every single morning. Ooh, looks so good. So guys, recently I just started bullet journaling and I love it so much. Well, today being February 1st, I finally get to start actually filling everything in, but I want to show you guys what I have done so far because it's pretty cool. I followed Amanda Rachel Lee's setup for most of this. The first thing in here is 2018 at a glance. So then this is just my future log basically. So anything that I have for upcoming months, I'll just write down here. And then when it's time for me to actually make those months and weekly spreads, that I can just look at like, oh, look, my sister's birthday. So then I have to go and put it in there. So then moving on, my 2018 goals, I'm going to try to move to LA. For those of you who don't know, I really want to try to move to LA in the fall. I'm actually really excited about it. And I also want to complete the Kayla Itzine Bikini Body Guide. So then 2018 memories, I'm just going to put all the things that I want to remember in 2018, I will put down on this page. So once I have stuff I want to remember, I'll put it on there. Moving forward, video ideas for YouTube, I'm going to just start listing them here, just brainstorming. Then a nice little quote, it says, progress is more important than perfection. I know my handwriting's not the best and all of this, but it's fine. So then I'm moving on to my February spread, and this is what it looks like so far. So I decided to put February up here, and then the whole month layout, and then goals I have for this month, and so my growth tracking. It took me forever to try to do that Instagram thing, but I think it turned out pretty good. So moving on, I have my habit tracker. So this is just stuff that I want to track that I'm doing every day. So drinking enough water. So if I've done it on the 1st, then I'll fill it in. And then by the end of the month, I can see what things I'm having a hard time doing and what days I'm having a hard time doing it. So I can try to switch things in my schedule around so I can keep on top of it. Also, kind of similar, this is my February mood. So each day, each color is going to mean a different emotion, and then I'll just fill it in so I can look back and see, oh yeah, I was really happy that month. So I want to start to learn how to lucid dream. I actually think that's really interesting, and I was doing some research on it, and it says that every time that you wake up in the morning, try to remember anything that you can in your dreams, and then the more you start doing it, the more you will remember, and sooner or later, when you're dreaming, you'll be thinking like, oh, I have to remember this, and then you will start to know you're dreaming and hopefully start lucid dreaming. I don't really know if that made sense, but there's a lot of research that you can do on it. I just want to start logging my dreams, so I'm going to do that here. My expense tracker, nothing out of the ordinary. I just want to, track how much I'm spending. So then this is going to go into my first weekly log. So working. So today I have to work from 4 to 10. So just seeing like all the stuff that I have to do. And then I have the weather, what it's going to be like here in Tokyo, a cute little quote, a to-do list. And then I also have next week's on here as well. Other than the fact that I messed up right there, but it's fine. Cute little quote and the weather, and yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do actually right now is I'm going to make a master grocery list. So everything that I need to have in my apartment at all times, I'm going to make it here. So when I am out getting getting groceries, I can just refer to this and be like, oh, do I have all this stuff in my apartment? And yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. I really like the idea of bullet journaling. I think it's really interesting, and I do like the idea that I get to make all of my spreads. I can make it exactly how I want to do it. Yes, I did follow a lot of stuff from Amanda Rachel Lee. I will post her link in my bio. But I also got a lot of stuff off Pinterest. A few things were my idea as well. Yeah, I just really like it. So I thought I'd share with you guys. If you guys want to see more about my bullet journal, if you guys want to see maybe a plan with me each month of me going through it and making it, then leave a comment down below and like this video if you really want to see that. But yeah, moving on, I'm actually going to make this grocery list and then I'm going to head to the grocery store. What's up, guys? So it's a little later now. I went grocery shopping, put all that away. I made some food and just kind of relaxed, did a little planning for a future stuff that I'm going to be doing. So in about a few hours, I want to say, maybe 1 or 2, I'm going to work out. And yeah, and then I think I'm going to be watching The Bachelor because I streamed it off iTunes here, so I get to finally catch up and see the inside scoop on what's happening with Ari and the ladies. So I'm going to be doing the T25 workout videos. I've been doing them a little bit here and there, and I do really like it. I like to be able to follow the video. So yes, I will keep you guys posted on how that goes. Hopefully I don't die. I am really sore from my workouts the past few days. I washed my face, so that's why I look so washed out, like an absolute mess. Because I'm not about to work out with a ton of makeup on because my skin's already breaking out and I don't need it to get any worse. Okay. Also, really quickly, I did want to show you guys the end product to my master grocery list. This is what we have come up with so far. So I just broke it down into all the different categories of stuff and kind of wrote out anything that I would get from the sections. I did go a little overboard a little bit. Like, a lot of the stuff I'm not going to buy every single time I go to the grocery store. It's just stuff that I like to keep in my house or, like, well, my apartment in this case. And yeah, a lot of this stuff I don't currently have because I do have a tiny, tiny fridge and tiny, tiny storage. But yeah, this is what we're working with and I really, really like it. So yay. Guys, there is an eclipse going on right now. What is this called? Is it called something?
I don't know. It's a super blue moon.
I don't know, but that's really cool. Okay, so I kind of failed on vlogging yesterday, the rest of the day. All I really did after you last saw me was Molly came over, we worked out, we did a T25 video, and then we watched The Bachelor. So now it is the next day and I have work later today. I don't start until 4. So I think I'm gonna curl my hair just because my hair is looking really rough right now. I washed it last night and brushed it out and then just went to bed and slept on it. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. So yeah, I think I'm going to curl it just to give it some texture and so it doesn't look so messy. So this is before, after. If you guys want to see a whole video on me curling my hair and how I do it, what products I use, what curling iron I use, anything that has to do with curling my hair, please let me know. Leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up and I will definitely do that for you guys. Yeah, now that my hair is all curled, I'm probably just going to pack my lunch and then I'm gonna head to work.